From conferences to corporate gatherings, great events don't just happen, they're built on clear planning, smooth coordination, and having the right tools to keep everything on track. That's where Smartsheet comes in. It brings every part of your event into one shared workspace. Your budgets, your sponsorship deliverables, content creation, signage, registration tracking, you name it. Let's dive in. Let's start with dashboards. Dashboards make it super easy to share real-time numbers across your organization. Things like registrations, sponsorship sales, and budget status. No more endless back and forth emails. There are a lot of back and forth emails. You can run your planning meetings right in Smartsheet by attaching agendas, decks, and action items all in one place. Plus, you'll get automated notifications in Slack or Teams. Keep your vendors aligned with Dynamic View. They only see what's relevant to them, while you protect the sensitive stuff. And here's a time saver. Use Data Shuttle to automatically sync info from registration systems or vendor databases right into Smartsheet. That eliminates hours of manual updates. Coordinating speakers, use forms for bios, headshots, and presentations, plus set up automated reminders and shared rehearsal schedules. You can attach all their materials and photos directly into the rows in your sheets. Managing marketing plans and tracking creative approvals? Do it right in Smartsheet. Your designers can work on assets in Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign through the Creative Cloud integration. Then use Smartsheet's proofing features to upload files, collect feedback, add comments, track versions, and log approval decisions. Everything in one place. Switch between grid, card, Gantt, or calendar views to quickly spot where you're ahead or behind schedule. During the actual event, use checklists and run-of-show tracking to make sure every detail happens on time, whether you're on site or running a virtual event. Then combine those results to make your next event even better. With Smartsheet, you keep your team aligned, your stakeholders informed, and your attendees impressed. From the first planning meeting to the post-event review. Ready to improve your planning, inspire better collaboration, and create powerful events? Try Smartsheet for event planning today and make your next event your best one yet.